it's something that needs to be really, really pushed out for everybody to know everywhere. Just like the way I think HIV or AIDS was promoted sometimes back. I think this is something that needs to be promoted to every sector of the world. Yeah.
The workshops have equipped me, enriched my knowledge about long COVID, and has made it easy for me to be able to initiate conversations about long COVID. And so the workshops have really, really helped me make it easy to talk about.
We worked through COVID, the long COVID, as someone personally, and one or two colleagues that got COVID, the long COVID. So I was aware of it until someone close to me actually collapsed with it. Yeah, numbness to the whole entire one side. So COVID's not new, it's new to me. What is new to me is the training that we just received, sharing the knowledge from each individual helps me to realise, wow, there are not one or two symptoms, there's hundreds of symptoms, different symptoms. People's bodies have taken it on.
I really didn't know much about long COVID. I heard about COVID, so when this course was offered, I thought I definitely want to go on this course just to find out more about what is long COVID. But I was really pleased I attended because the resources I received, the diagram, kind of specified there's over 200 symptoms. Which was really interesting because I thought COVID, I mean, obviously it's just coughing, sneezing, but actually there's more to it. Yeah.
So the South East London Long COVID programme is a charity-funded project, and we're funded by NHS Charities Together and Guy's and St Thomas's Charity. We're a 12-month long project. We've just been extended for another 12 months, so we're now a 2-year project, and we're here to help accelerate the recovery of patients living with long COVID in South East London.